Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to extract the zip file and unzip it in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's likely you're going to download the zip file and you want to open it up to go and check out the contents. So first of all, go and locate the zip file in. Mine is here, and then all you need to do is go and click on it. You'll then go and see the option, Extract All. Go and select that. You'll go and get this pop up and you'll go and see where the files will be extracted to. You shouldn't need to go and change that, and you can then click Extra. Fact, the bigger the file size is, the longer it will take, and it's now gone and made the folder. So if I just go and close that, you'll go and see we've got the zip file, the folder, and we can then go into this folder again and we've got the contents here. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.